Today talk about Delta PLC. How to simulate the Delta PLC. Okay, I'm opening the WPL Soft 2.48 version. Now I'm creating one on clicking on File, click on New, type the title of the program. I'm using the test, like test. You can give the file name. File name is ABC. Okay, now you can check here what you want to PLC take. I'm checking ES2 PLC. You can click here setting, and if you have a real physical PLC, you can click on auto deduct. PLC will auto deduct, and then click on OK. PLC will be on communication. Click OK. Now click on the ladder diagram. This is a program from ladder diagram. Now I am checking first of all device comment. This is our input list. What we have to use in this program. Input list. This is the output list, what we have to use, and this is the memory bit. Memory bit used for anything, latch and latch intermediate, and this is timer, counter, device, let's see. Now I am taking the first input. Type the LD X0. This is X0 input, and double click on the screen and type LD Y0 sorry, LD no output. I am using output OUT out. Okay, now I'm clicking on the simulate. This is the simulator. Okay, normally this is not enabled, but when you download the driver, this driver COMMGR, then it will be automatically enabled here. You can go through for download. You can go through type Google Chrome and type here COMMGR 1.3. download here. You can download from here. Click download center, and you can download here from this file. Okay, it will be download automatically. Now I'm clicking on the simulator. Click on simulator. Simulator is enable. Now click on download. Write to PLC. Click OK. And you can monitor from here, online mode. This is the stop PLC now. Now I am starting in start PLC. Click here, run PLC. Click OK. Yes. Now our program is in running mode. Now I have to check. Click set on. PLC output is on, and click right. Click off. Output is off. That's it. This is a sample program for how to run the PLC simulator, Delta PLC on simulator. Now click on go output, click, you can save here from here and click desktop folder, click here YT tutorial, you can save from here. Thank you.